What is up, you guys? It's your girl Frenchie here. So I'm back with another video. So I decided to come to the nail salon so I could kind of show you guys what we're doing for today. So today's vlog is me and my auntie getting a pedicure and a manicure. So say hi, auntie. Hi. So yeah, it's up in here and it's stuck, so just stay tuned. So yeah, we had already went to the store because we had to wait for the nail salon to open. And let me tell you guys a funny story about my auntie, bro. So tell me how this whole time she's been in Georgia, and I didn't even know. So I linked up with her like maybe 3 days ago, and then we started hanging out doing auntie and niece things. It's been fun. I'm just so glad that she's here, and now I'm not the only one in Georgia by myself, so it's lit. Yeah, so I'll show you guys the designs and the things that we're doing for today. And today's fit, I know I always just show you guys what I'm wearing. So I'm just wearing this big, this shirt, and then some biker shorts, and then some flats really, and my hair is up into a bun. So yeah, we're just chilling. My gorgeous auntie Tati, we're getting our feet done. So yeah. Say hi, Tati. Hey. Look at my gorgeous Tati. Ben. It's okay. Hey, y'all. Bye, auntie. Male. So what's up, y'all? So right now I just got to the house where my auntie was doing her makeup, and I got my eyebrows done as well as my whole face waxed. So I'm currently in the car on my way home. Oh, the lighting sucks. So I'm currently in the car on my way home. I have some errands to run before I do get home because I have guests coming over today. So stay tuned. Yeah, and I'll show you guys when I get to the store. So right now, you guys, I'm going into Publix because I gotta grab a couple of things, and tomorrow I'm preparing dinner. So yeah,
hey, pretty little thing, pretty little thing, pretty little thing, pretty little thing. You got a bag and now you wildin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting through the DM, looking violent. Talking while you come around and not silent. Through the coupe of 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. They ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. Got it, got it. Got it, got it.
J'entendais pas y'a trop son main. À ce qui paraît, je te cours après. Mais ça va pas, mais t'es taré.
So y'all, as far as tomorrow, I'm going to make some Haitian griot with possibly some fried fish with pork as well. I don't know if you guys could really hear me, but I'm just picking up a couple things from the store. So I did need this, which is like chopped up carrots. I needed that, and then now I know I need some cabbage because I ain't got no cabbage at home. So we gotta look for some cabbage. Some cabbage. And grab some bags because these bags be nowhere to be found. Giant is big. Finally found the cabbage, y'all. So I'll put that in a bag in a second. It's cold. I'm trying to see what I could make as far as like drinks. I'm going back to the store later. I just came here to pick up a couple things that I know I may not find anywhere else. I have to go to the farmer's market so I can grab some other things to cook with. Alright, you guys, so right now I'm currently on my way home. I got some of the things that I had needed. Ooh, why is it so dark? Oh, hell no. Oh. Okay, this is better. So yeah, I got some of the things that I had needed. I am currently headed home to go and do my client at 4 o'clock right now. If it's not, I think it's like 3 something, almost 4. No, wait, my client comes at 5:30. So yeah, my client comes at 5:30. I'm gonna chill and relax and eat before she comes. Y'all, I'm gonna fuck up my car because to me how I just turn off the whole car and it was on drive, like story of my life. So now I'm about to go to my office, the leasing office, to grab a package, and once I grab the package we should be good to go home. So yeah. I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that I already prepped. I already prepped this fish up just so that way you guys get to see how it looks.
This one thing you did.
Good.